Decoding Decimal Outlines, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a particular aspect of the writing process, outlining. More specifically, we'll be talking about a type of outline known as the decimal outline. Now, you may be wondering, what is a decimal outline? Don't worry, we'll explain it all. So, let's get started. A decimal outline is a very structured form of an outline that uses numbers to show the level of importance and the relationships between the ideas. It's called a decimal outline because it makes use of decimal notation to denote each heading and subheading in your outline. Each section and subsection of your outline will be assigned a decimal number, and this will make the structure of your work clear and easy to understand. You might ask, why should I use a decimal outline? Well, one of the greatest benefits of a decimal outline is its clarity. The decimal numbering system allows you to easily see the main points, sub-points, and the details related to those points. This kind of organization makes it simpler to navigate through your ideas and maintain a coherent structure in your writing. Creating a decimal outline involves a systematic approach. Start by identifying your main points, which are your major ideas. These will be numbered as 1.0, 2.0, and so on. Next, for each main point, determine the subpoints or supporting details. These will be denoted as 1.1, 1.2, etc. for the first main point, and 2.1, 2.2, etc. for the second main point. For every subpoint, you may have additional supporting details. These will be further divided with decimal points, like 1.1.1, 1.1.2, and so forth. This pattern continues as far as necessary, giving you an in-depth and highly organized outline for your work. Here are a few tips for using decimal outlines effectively. First, remember to keep your points concise. Decimal outlines are all about organization, not about writing long paragraphs. Second, be sure to maintain consistency in your numbering. If you have a 1.0, there must be a 2.0. If you have a 1.1, there must be a 1.2, and so on. Lastly, always review your decimal outline before starting your draft. It gives you a chance to see if your ideas flow logically and if any points are missing. And there you have it. A decimal outline is a powerful tool for organizing your thoughts and creating a clear, logical structure for your writing. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't be afraid to try using a decimal outline the next time you're writing an essay, a research paper, or any piece of writing. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the ins and outs of decimal outlines. Until next time, happy writing, and keep learning.